Hi, everyone. I'm Jean Voice Start, and I'm a psychotherapist. It's more than 50 years specializing in grief, trauma, and chronic pain. And I'm also disabled. I'm mobility challenged, deaf, multiple brain injuries, slurring my speech, having challenges. So I'm just happy to represent that. Multiple doctors looked at me in the eyes years before I found the Wellness Universe, and they said, I can't help you. You need to face it. You can't be helped. And so I was looking for something holistic health. I started my own holistic health nonprofit serving two counties in California as the founder and CEO of the organization for 15 years, working with that, helping lots of people. But I was getting burned out and it was a big load to carry. When I found the Wellness Universe when it first started, I loved what they did, and they're having a global worldwide outreach, and that's what I wanted. I wanted to reach more people, but I thought, wow, look at all the golden gifts that the Wellness Universe is offering. I'm a member, but how can I do all these different things? What can I do? I didn't think a person like me, I was wrong. I didn't think a person like me who's disabled could do something to make a difference, really. But I was totally wrong. Something shifted in 2024 after a family member died by suicide. And I reached out to Anna and the Wellness Universe asking, how can I help? I want to do more. I want to reach out globally. And the team said, heck yes, you can help. There's a lot of things you can do. And so I stepped in to host the Take My Hand platform, which is a suicide awareness and mental health platform. It was the best thing I ever did. I just felt so needed, so valued. I was asked to write the mental health protocol and emergency crisis resource list. Um, for the first time, I really felt valued, seen, and needed. And I was helping in a much bigger way than I ever could. I was finding a valuable way to serve. It was a dream come true. So just last year, I went from premium to premium select to senior partner and a major investor in the Wellness Universe. The Wellness Universe is my legacy. I call it my legacy. It's my legacy. Everything I need is right here. And I'm having so much fun because the people are absolutely amazing. They're so compassionate and kind. The Wellness Universe is a perfect fit for me. Every day, I get to attend 5-star classes that boost spiritual, mental, and physical and emotional wellness for me. And I've never felt a deeper sense of belonging. I'm an instructor, I'm a therapist, I'm a coach. I'm working here with kindred spirits, heart to heart, soul to soul. We're learning and we're rising together, making a difference in this world. And through our collaborative book projects, I became a multiple #1 best-selling author. I've gained a following. I've learned marketing strategies. I didn't sign up. I didn't know I was going to be doing that, but I gained all that. That's part of the package. And I found new ways to serve every day. And the opportunities are limitless because of our compassionate CEO and global visionary Anna Pereira and the devoted, joy driven, faith driven team. And that was what I was looking for. That's it right there. That's the big thing, this community. That's the big thing. They believe, you will achieve. They care. So the Wellness Universe is my heartbeat, my family, my home. And I thank you so much. And I love you all. And so it is. Blessings be. Thank you.